Warning: Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Sumali pa ho yung PALEO, Filipino-American Law Enforcement Organization. Is that what it is? So sila ho yung mga retired police na nung nagsalita ho si Digong ng kanyang separation militarily as well as, economically, separation, some other mga yellow media natin, they still want to use, cutting off. There's a big difference of cutting off and separation. Yung sinasabi ho, American Law Enforcement Organization. Ito ho, Filipino-American Law Enforcement Association. It's a composition of retired police officers. Sa San Francisco ho yan. Sila ho yung nagsabi na magsa-separate na rin daw sila at hindi na sila magpapadala ng mga police personnel daw nila, exchange law enforcement training ng mga Filipino-American police na tinitrain ng ating PNP. But let me tell you the fact about PALEO, mga boss, because I'm a travel guy and I'm dealing business with the ride-along sa iba't ibang mga police stations. Depende ho sa mga cities, 20 cities, ito ho sa Northern California, 20 cities sa Northern California, specifically sa San Mateo County. There are 20 cities in San Mateo County, 20 different police department. Karamihan ho dyan sa PALEO, nagbigay ho silang statement that they're separating also. They'll stop sending their police officers to train our Filipino counterpart na mga police din dito, mga PhilAmto. Na kasi daw, nagpag-separate na si Duterte, separate na rin daw sila. That's hogwash. Actually, itong PALEO, mga boss, ang pinaka-presidente ho nila, dikit ho ito kay Mar Rojas. Noon pa. Binubuking ko na lang eh. And they like to kiss ass, and they're yellow. And they think that they can just simply, play around na porket nagsalita ho si Digong and then sinasabi na because of human rights violations, sumakay din sila. Saan ba nila kinuha to? Whatever that is. Because of the yellow media and those yellow basically talking more. Alam naman ho natin marami mga riding in tandem dyan, mga vigilante group na sometimes pag may mga vigilante, kami ho sa ito, let me tell you this. Kami ho sa Kilos Pronto, we have this crime desk that every now and then crime committed, perpetrated by those people riding in tandem, pinapatay ho nila, binabaril at random, mga binata. Sometimes, these people are not really law enforcers. See, the problem, I think that the police should really be up on their toes, yung ating PNP. Natugisin ito yung mga nasa riding in tandem because these are not. Sometimes vigilante ho to, sometimes gang members lang to. At random, they'll shoot you, just like yung kagabi palabas ho namin. What am I saying dito? Because of this riding in tandem and some others extrajudicial killing na which is perpetrated by some, sabihin na ito ho, mga kalawag policemen, na nadudungisan ho para yun laging nakakakit sa human rights violations dun sa drug war. So sinabi ho ng PALEO, Filipino-American Law Enforcement Organization, separating na rin sila. Hindi na sila magpapatrain sa mga Filipino counterpart nila rito sa Pilipinas na mga Filipino police din doon sa US. Kasi nga raw doon sa human rights violation, una silang sumigaw. And it became a news picked up by the yellow media sa Pilipinas. Pero para sa akin, natatawa lang ako, nakangisi ako. And I know the president of PALEO. Come on. Kissing ass with Mar Rojas. I'm sorry to say that. The reason why? Is sometimes kasi, I wrote them a letter and I gave them a letter na sinabi ko the time that because this and this and this, hindi ho ata nila nagustuhan yung aking panunulat that time. And so, hindi lang sinagot na na-realize na pagtatanong-tanong ko doon sa ibang mga law enforcers din, ano ho yung mga Filipino police din na nagsabi sa akin, oh, come on, this is the president. Eh, yun pala na makita ko lang sa picture, wow, kissing ass with a yellow. This is nung panahon ho ni Mar Rojas, being the DILG secretary. These are the yellow people, yellow PALEO. Kung nakikinig mo sa, I hope that you can listen to me kayo sa PALEO. Kasi itong aking broadcast, ma-upload naman to sa YouTube eh. So kung may mga Filipino police na kaibigan natin, I'm sorry, but I'll have to be very honest with you guys. Hindi naman kayo lahat member ng Faleo eh. Yung mga Faleo, may political affiliation yan sa sinasabing liberal. Ano bang liberal? Democrat Liberal Party sa Pilipinas, and it's all the same color, yellow.